Forever thrown into a state of helpless disarray. Praise the one who lives. Praise the one who lives again. Praise the one who lives again for seizing victory. When Christ arose, he offered living hope to Adam's race, by swallowing the sting of death and standing in our place, refusing to allow his Holy One to see decay. Our God will make his own complete on Resurrection Day. Praise the one who lives. Praise the one who lives again. Praise the one who lives again to cancel our disgrace. When Christ arose, he pried apart the iron grip of sin, and gave us strength to walk anew beneath his righteous reign. The silent, empty tomb proclaims these words for all to hear. Your sinful self is crucified by